Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. So I finally added the Triple Crown race format to the racing system, and there's a few specificities, and I think it's easier to make a quick video to just explain you how it works. So first, now when you create a race you have the option to go for a 3C race type, and 3C stands for Triple Crown actually. So everywhere you can see 3C is Triple Crown. So what's the biggest difference with MX or SX? So in Triple Crown you race three different motos after a qualifying session and an LCQ. So the thing is that the three motos does not count as points for the series, unlike so in motocross you have the two different motos and each give you, for example, 25 points. In total you have 50 points if you do 1-1, and each moto gives you points directly for the series. Now for standard S6 format you go through each races. It's two it races, and you know how your dispatch, like first, third, fifth, so all the odd and even qualifying times are dispatched into different it races. So it's Triple Crown is really different, and that's why you had to wait for a while to have it, because I had to build a complete specific code for this. So now when you select Triple Crown, what does it mean? So first, when you go to the racing, people will see the race type as Triple Crown, and buttons are different. So you can still load the practice group to see um, where the people are for the different groups. Okay. I just see that it's missing the registration button. I will add it. So the list of registration, then the practice group to know what server you have to join for your qualifying. You try to set your best time, and then when you click on LCQ list, you'll see the top. So in Triple Crown, the 18 first fastest qualifier advance to the main event. So from 19 to 30, you advance to the LCQ race. And this is to stick to the real life format. You don't have any way to change the number of people in this LCQ, so don't ask for it. It is meant to be, or to stick to the real life format. Then you can load the main event list, and in the main event list you have the top 18 plus the four people, the top four of the LCQ race. And that's pretty much it for the live timing. Anything else goes to the race results. So if I load the race results, so this is the dummy race I created. Don't look at the names, or I just picked some result files from another race. So we can see the race result from the LCQ, and you can see that the top four, so Nebula, Logan, Capybara, and 327. If I go back here in sorry, in main event, it was the correct one. So it's the four guys we have here. That's, I mean, it matches. If you want to see the results of the three motos, you can. So moto 1, and so points here, this points column is not points you earn for the series. It makes sense because it's how Triple Crown works. So the first scores 1 point, second 2, 3, 4, and so on. So Moto2 results, it's the same format, and for the third. And then you can see the event overall results, and this overall results will compute. So here's Sock Monkey. If I go to Moto1, Sock Monkey scores 5, then 5, then 1. So 11. And the second, so Austin C. Let's see, Austin, so 6, 12, and 14. So it matches, and if I go back to the overall just to check the third, so Emmy 7, so probably the same. Yeah, 14, and 3, so 17. So that, I mean, that's, yeah, I was just not sure because Sock Monkey was 6. So yeah, I tried to do something relevant, but still waiting for some test from you guys to make sure everything works perfectly, but it should be okay. So this is for the front end part. Let's see what the user can see. Again, I will add the registration button here, and I think that's pretty much what you need. You don't need to see the, maybe you want to see the times, but if you go to the main list, before the LCQ are uploaded, it won't show up. It will say that it's waiting for the LCQ actually. And for the main event list, I might need, I might, yeah, add the times here. I'll see what I can do. But let's go back here. So you created your race, and then you go to, as usually, your script script page to output the script. So we can generate the practice script, and soon we will take the confirmed people only. You run the qualifying, then you upload the results. I'll show you just after. Then you generate the LCQ, the 3C, so Triple Crown LCQ script for your LCQ race. You upload the LCQ results to the live results, and then you can generate your 3C main scripts. And for your 3 races, listen carefully, you run the race 2 every time in, I mean, from the game, from the manager. You don't start race 1, then race 2, then again race 1 or race 2. Always race 2. You know, because the game has some issues with race 1 and 2. So just please stick to race 2. And for the results, it works like this. If I take my fun race test, so when your race is a triple crown, it automatically detects it, and you have different options here. So practice times or qualifying time, it's the same behind the scene, but click next step, upload your different servers files. Here it says it's already closed, but I'll explain just after. You run then the LCQ, you upload LCQ results, then race 1, race 2, race 3. Once everything is uploaded here, instead of this green button saying, okay, it's already closed, you'll see a blue button with the mention something like close Triple Crown race. Once you're sure your results are uploaded, you click this button and it will wrap up, let's say, your results. So it will compute the 3 races results to give the users this, so from the result here, this event overall results. Not before, because we need the computing of the 3, and there's some specificities. Let's say someone does not race the second race, so he scores 0 points, and if he scores 0 points, it gives him an advantage, you see. So I had to force 30 points. That's something we can adapt maybe, but I think that was a good option. So if someone misses a race, Moto2, let's say, he will score. It's not written, but it will count as 30 points. Okay. Uh, so you click this button and it's done. And if you need, so you know this button to delete the results, it will work the same. So it will delete everything. So overall, plus the 3 race, plus LCQ, plus qualifying times. It's, I mean, when I'm recording this video, it's not working yet. I cannot showcase it, but that's what it will do just as usually. So if you mess something up, you have your XML files on your computer, so you can still just quickly re-upload. So yeah, basically that's how it works. I think it's enough. If you have any question, as usually, reach out to the Discord. You can speak in the host. Let me check my Discord in the racing system channel or create a ticket. And yeah, thank you guys and enjoy the new Triple Crown format.